Have you ever had a brilliant idea and you're just dying to put it on a t-shirt? This video is for you. I wanted to see if I could design a totally custom t-shirt using the latest AI tools in Adobe Illustrator. This is the journey from the simple text prompt to ordering, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. You'll even see how to preview your design using AI tools in Photoshop. I hope you try this. To start with, I'm keeping the toolkit simple but powerful. The entire design is going to happen inside of Adobe Illustrator using its built-in generative AI features. And for actual printing, I'm going to use Custom Ink, a popular service that lets you upload your art and get it printed on just about anything. Alright, let's get to the fun part, making the actual design. We're here in Adobe Illustrator. I started with a prompt for a dog, but I wanted to start over because I really wanted a corgi instead. The process starts with the taskbar in view to use Generate Vector. The great thing about this is you don't have to be scared of a blank canvas. You can literally just tell the AI where you want your design to go. For this one, I also had an AI image I made in Photoshop that I wanted this to look like. So I grabbed that prompt and pasted it in. Now I'm picking subject as the type of graphic I want, and I'm adding geometric as an effect to emphasize this aspect. I'm also going to try out Nana Banana. I'm hitting generate and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, these are cool, but not exactly like my original vision. Next, I'm going to use a new feature, adding a style reference to my prompt. I think this will work perfectly because I already have something in mind. Using the picker, I can choose my image, which surprises me, it's not just for vector references. This only works with Firefly AI models, but you get 3 variations to choose from. These turned out super cool. And the best part? These are all generated as vector graphics. That just means that they are infinitely scalable. I can make the design huge without it getting blurry or losing any quality, which is absolutely essential for printing on a t-shirt. It feels like a unique design, not something I just grabbed from a stock image site. Now that we have our corgi artwork, we need to get it ready for the printer. First up, size. A standard t-shirt chest print is usually around 9 to 12 inches wide. I'm going to add my corgi to an artboard that's 9 by 11 inches. Since it's a vector, I don't have to worry about getting pixelated. Next is a file format. You might be used to saving JPEGs or PNGs, but for professional printing with a service like Custom Ink, a PDF is a fantastic choice because it keeps all the vector data perfectly intact. I'll just go to File, Save As, and choose Adobe PDF. Before we set it to print, there's one more thing. Want to get an idea of what your t-shirt might look like on someone? We can do that in Photoshop. I've imported a ping image of my corgi, and using Select All, I'm going to get the Generative Fill option in the taskbar. Now I'll prompt to get my artwork on a black t-shirt. It looks great on a hanger. Now let's see it on a person. I'll do a prompt to use this t-shirt on someone posing. That looks awesome. Perfect for sending previews out to your friends. With our PDF that we saved ready to go, it's time to head over to Custom Ink and make this t-shirt real. The process on their website is super easy. First, I'm going to pick out a t-shirt. They have tons of options. I chose a classic t-shirt in black because I think my colorful corgi will really stand out. Now, in their design area, I'll just choose the option to upload my own art, grab the PDF we saved from Illustrator and upload it. Custom Ink's tool lets me place the design on the t-shirt and resize it. I could nudge it around to make sure it's perfectly centered. Once the design is locked in, I just have to choose my size and quantity. Keep in mind that the more you print, the cheaper they get per shirt. So I hope you're getting inspired. We went from a simple text prompt to ordering a custom designed t-shirt, and even made a preview. We saw how AI tools in Adobe Illustrator can create unique, print-ready vector graphics, and walk through simple but critical steps to get ready for a printer, like Custom Ink. So what t-shirt are you going to make? Be sure to tell me in the comments and send a link to your artwork. If you want to see more experiments like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.